Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can get FPS Unlocker for Roblox. So first thing, you want to search for Roblox FPS Unlocker. Once you search for Roblox FPS Unlocker, the first option where it says GitHub, click on it. And it's going to bring you to this page. And on this page, what you need to do is scroll a bit down and you can see this option called RBX FPS Unlocker. You want to click on it and it's going to start to download. Once it downloads and it completes downloading just like this, open your downloads folder. And from your downloads folder, you can see where it says Roblox FPS Unlocker. Now it's in a zip file, so I'm going to take it out from the zip file. So as you guys can see over here, I'm just going to extract it out so I can use it. Once it's out over here like this, now in your case, it might not be inside a zip folder, so don't worry about it. Just click on it to open it, and it's going to open up just like this. Now wait for some time, it's going to automatically install. Once it automatically installs, it's going to appear at the bottom left over here. Once you see it, you can just right click on it. Once you right click on it, make sure where it says unlock Roblox player, it is tick marked, because if it is unchecked, then it's not going to be used on your Roblox. And over here, you can choose FPS cap to choose how much FPS you want. You can choose the maximum, but if your PC lags, then you can cap it. So if I click on 30, my FPS is not going to go above 30, alright? So now I can start playing Roblox. Just make sure it's running on the background, alright? So that's how we guys can download or get yourself FPS Unlocker for Roblox. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.